Thinking about ditching the pole tent headaches for good? If you're shopping for the best inflatable camping tent for 4 people, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 12 top picks, covering setup speed, waterproofing, space, and value, so you can find the perfect match for your next trip. Let's get into it. Number 1. Wildfinder 4-person inflatable tent. The Wildfinder 4-person inflatable tent kicks off our list, and it makes one seriously strong first impression. It features a large panoramic skylight, waterproof Oxford fabric, and comes with a pump included, so you're ready to camp almost the moment you arrive. The air beam design inflates fast and holds up well against wind. Inside, the layout is roomy with great natural lighting streaming through multiple mesh windows. Ventilation is solid, and the glamping-style interior feels premium for the price point. If stargazing for your tent sounds like your kind of night, this one's a dream pick. Next up, the Vingley 4-person inflatable camping tent is a fantastic option for families who want airflow without the hassle. Its quick inflatable air tube structure and all-weather waterproof design make setup and teardown genuinely painless. The durable Oxford cloth stands up to the elements without feeling flimsy. What really stands out here is the ventilation system. Large mesh windows and smart vent placement keep the interior cool and fresh even on warm nights. It's a bit on the heavier side when packed, but for family car camping, that's an easy trade-off. A great all-rounder for comfortable outdoor weekends. Coming in at number 3, the Foost 4-person inflatable camping tent is all about getting you set up and outside fast. The automatic inflatable design is one of the quickest on this list, making it a top choice for spontaneous road trips. Waterproof and windproof Oxford material keeps you protected when the weather turns. The interior has a spacious glamping-style layout with plenty of headroom for moving around comfortably. Cold weather insulation isn't its strongest suit, so plan accordingly in the fall. But for 3-season camping where speed is a priority, the Foost delivers. Number 4. Ziziella 4-person inflatable camping tent. The Ziziella 4-person inflatable camping tent is a real head-turner, especially if you love waking up to an open sky view. Its panoramic skylight roof is the clear star of the show, paired with inflatable air beam support and waterproof Oxford fabric. A pump is included, so there's no scrambling to find one at the campsite. Ventilation through the multiple mesh windows is comfortable, and the glamping-style interior looks as good as it feels. Just be careful with storage. The skylight design needs a little extra care when packing up. Perfect for glamping enthusiasts chasing those unforgettable starry night views. Halfway through the list, the Cruiseout 4-person inflatable tent earns its spot as one of the roomiest options here. It boasts a large panoramic skylight, solid waterproof construction, and a spacious interior that the whole family can genuinely stretch out in. Mesh windows keep airflow moving even on muggy evenings. Setup is straightforward and quick, which is always a win after a long drive to the campsite. A packed weight is on the heavier side, so this is best for car camping rather than backpacking. A fantastic choice for weekend family glamping trips. Number 6. Waldzimmer 4-person inflatable tent. If you camp in unpredictable or gusty conditions, the Waldzimmer 4-person inflatable tent should absolutely be on your radar. Its windproof air beam structure is built to take a beating, paired with reliable waterproof outdoor fabric and multiple ventilation points. The roomy interior feels solid and stable even when the wind picks up outside. Setup is quick and easy, and the premium materials give this tent a confidence-inspiring feel in rough weather. It does pack a bit larger than basic models, and the price reflects the heavy-duty build. But for stormy season campers, the Waldzimmer is worth every penny. Number 7. Shanquan 4-person inflatable camping tent. The Shanquan 4-person inflatable camping tent is one of the most versatile picks on our list today. It includes a stove jack for cooler weather camping, waterproof Oxford material, mesh windows for ventilation, and a spacious interior layout. The quick inflation system gets you set up without the drama of traditional pole tents. It's slightly heavier than some competitors, but the 4-season capability more than justifies that. Just make sure you follow safety guidelines when using a wood-burning stove inside. Ventilation is key. If you camp year-round and want a tent that keeps up, Shanquan is a smart investment. Number 8. Weather 4-person inflatable camping tent. For campers watching the budget, the Weather 4-person inflatable camping tent punches well above its price tag. It comes with an air pump included, waterproof Oxford fabric, rain-proof construction, and mesh windows, covering all the core bases without breaking the bank. Setup is easy and straightforward for new campers too. The interior layout is practical rather than luxurious, and the materials are a step below some premium options. But if you're just getting into inflatable tents and want a reliable first experience, Weather is the budget-friendly pick that won't let you down. Next, the Weatherproof 4-person inflatable camping tent is the one to grab if you want to keep things light and portable. Its lightweight inflatable air beam structure and included carry bag make it one of the easiest tents to transport on road trips or camping adventures. Waterproof and windproof design handles typical outdoor conditions well. The interior is comfortable for 4 people, though it's not the most spacious glamping-style option on the list. Advanced features are minimal, but portability is where this tent truly shines. A solid pick for travelers who value ease of transport. Number 10. Dankum 4-person inflatable camping tent. The Dankum 4-person inflatable camping tent brings impressive stability that sets it apart from many competitors. Its self-supporting inflatable frame keeps the structure rock solid on uneven ground, and the waterproof Oxford cloth with a pump included makes for a smooth setup experience. Large doors and windows add to the comfortable, airy feel inside. Headroom is excellent. You can comfortably stand and move around, which makes a real difference on multi-day trips. It does pack heavy and takes up notable storage space, so plan accordingly. For campers who prioritize maximum comfort and structural stability, Dankum is a winner. Number 11. Yateo 4-person inflatable camping tent. If your crew needs a little extra breathing room, the Yateo 4-person inflatable camping tent is actually sized for 4 to 6 people, making it the most generous option on this list. The waterproof Oxford material and wind-resistant design cover the weather basics, while the large vestibule area gives you serious bonus storage for gear and shoes. Quick setup rounds out the package. The trade-off is a larger campsite footprint and more carry weight than standard 4-person models, but for families who feel cramped in typical tents, that extra room is a complete game-changer. A top pick for families who want space and convenience in one package. Closing out our list, the Auxim 4-person inflatable camping tent is an excellent all-season option that doesn't ask you to sacrifice comfort for versatility. It features a skylight roof window, windproof air beam support, waterproof all-season construction, and a spacious interior, all backed up by a fast inflation system. Natural light pours in beautifully thanks to that skylight. It packs a bit bulkier than ultra-light options and needs occasional inflation checks over long trips, but for campers who want one tent that handles spring, summer, and fall adventures comfortably, Auxim is a reliable, well-rounded choice. So there you have it, 12 of the best inflatable camping tents for 4 people. If I had to spotlight 2, the Wildfinder wins for premium glamping comfort, while the Vivor is the smartest budget pick. Check the links in the description to grab yours. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop a comment, which tent caught your eye?